last Thursday, the FDA Vaccine and Related Biological Products Advisory Committee recommended approval of the Pfizer vaccine. The FDA reviewed that recommendation, Pfizer's application, and the data they had, and approved the emergency use authorization on Friday. Over the weekend, the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices issued guidelines for the administration of the vaccine, and the CDC accepted and published those recommendations in the Morbidity and Mortality Weekly Report. On Monday, around 10,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine arrived at 2 of our hubs here in Wisconsin. Yesterday, 4 additional hubs received around 22,000 doses, and today, our last 2 hubs expect to receive the remaining amount of our allocation, which is about 18,000 doses. Our 8 regional hubs are outfitted with the ultra-cold storage equipment the Pfizer vaccine requires and will serve as central locations for further distribution to other healthcare providers. With the small amount of vaccine arriving in Wisconsin this week, we are starting with a small number of providers to help ensure safe and efficient distribution. As more providers complete the vaccinator training and enrollment process, we will continue to expand distribution. This week's total shipment, as you know, is 49,725 doses of Pfizer vaccine, and there will be further allocations in the coming weeks, which will allow us to continue to focus on the healthcare workers in Phase 1A of our vaccine program. Tomorrow, the Vaccine and Related Biological Products Advisory Committee will review the data on the Moderna vaccine and make a recommendation to the FDA. Pending their approval, we anticipate an initial allocation of about 100,000 doses of Moderna vaccine. In addition, earlier this week, we activated Wisconsin's Pharmacy Distribution Program, which is a partnership between the CDC and national pharmacy chains to provide on-site vaccination at our skilled nursing facilities. While the arrival of vaccine is a critical and exciting milestone, and so very important to our ability to end the COVID-19 pandemic, it is early, and our vaccine distribution process will continue to evolve as the amount of vaccine coming into the state changes and as we learn lessons as we have throughout this pandemic. We remain committed to keeping you as informed as possible through briefings like this one and updates to our COVID-19 webpage, which you can find by visiting dhs.wisconsin.gov/COVID-19 and by clicking on the vaccine tab. And finally, please remember that it will be months before the vaccine is widely available. So please continue to stay home as much as possible, wash your hands, wear a mask, and physically distance. If you have symptoms of COVID-19 or if you have been exposed, please get tested, isolate, and quarantine. We've added another tool to our toolbox thanks to this vaccine, but we need to remain vigilant and continue using these other tools just a little while longer. Thank you.